LOCHIA and anal bleeding, medicine ERIGERON CANADENSE. The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. Dose is suggested at the end. इलाज के लिए दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है। आइए जानें कि लोकिया और एनल ब्लीडिंग में दवा इरिजेरॉन कब उपयोगी है। When to use ERIGERON in lochia and anal bleeding. Pregnant women with weak uterus, a bloody discharge on slight exertion, bleeding hemorrhoids, nosebleed instead of menses, bryonia, hemorrhages and congestions in pretty well all parts of the body. Its characteristic hemorrhages are bright red. Sensation as if something had lodged in upper part of esophagus. Pains in umbilical region feeling as if anus had been torn. Urination is painful or suppressed. Sharp stinging pains in region of left kidney. Gonorrhea and gleet. Placenta previa. Rest ameliorates. Every movement aggravates flow. Causes bloody lochia to return. Rainy weather aggravates all symptoms. Mind, great despondency. Head, congestion of the head, red face, nosebleed. Febrile action awakened with dull headache, forehead and right eye, with aching distress in all the large joints. Dull frontal headache with smarting in eyes. Eyes, smarting of eyes, all afternoon and evening. Slight agglutination of lids in morning. Ears, loud singing in right ear. Nose, epistaxis of bright red blood. Increased secretion of mucus all forenoon. Mouth, bad taste in mouth. Throat, increased secretion of mucus in nostrils all forenoon, with a feeling of roughness of pharynx and sensation as if something had lodged in upper part of the esophagus that caused frequent inclination to swallow. Stomach, violent retching and burning in the stomach, with vomiting of blood, eructations of air, sharp cutting pains in epigastric region, every few minutes, followed by dull pains. Abdomen, frequent distress in umbilicus with hard aching distress in whole dorsal region. Frequent dull pain in umbilical region with a feeling in anus as if it had been torn. Rheumatic pains in abdominal muscles. Sudden pain in hypogastrium followed by mushy stool. Dull pain in left hypogastrium and umbilicus. Tympanitis. Stool and anus. Natural stool followed by severe neuralgia in anus with tenesmus. Stools small, streaked with blood, tauromina, burning in the bowels and rectum, hard lumps of feces mixed with discharges, mushy stools, hemorrhage from the bowels, anal bleeding, hemorrhoids, bleeding with hard lumpy stools, burning in margin of anus. It feels as if torn. Urinary organs, urination is painful or suppressed. Dysuria of teething children. frequent desire, crying when urinating, urine profuse of very strong odor, external parts, female, inflamed or irritated, with considerable mucus discharge, male sexual organs, sticky sweat on genitals, pain in right lumbar region passing down to testicle, gonorrhea and gleet, female sexual organs, metrorrhagia with violent irritation of rectum and bladder after abortion, with diarrhea and dysuria, with prolapsusuteri, very profuse flow of bright red blood. Every movement of patient increases the flow, pallor and weakness, leucorrhea profuse with spasmodic pains and irritation of the bladder and rectum, bloody lochia, return after the least motion, ameliorated during rest, respiratory organs, cough, bloody expectoration, incipient phthisis, heart palpitation, back, dull aching distress in whole dorsal region, dull pains in lumbar and sacral regions, severe sticking, stabbing pain in region of left kidney, passing to right kidney, limbs, aching dullness in all the joints and limbs, generalities, excessive languor in morning, all day with great depression, no ambition to move in afternoon and evening, sleep, frequent disposition to yawn in afternoon and evening, dose, tincture, 1 drop in 10 ml water every 3 hours, potency 6, 12 and 30, potency 1 drop in 10 ml water on empty stomach every 24 hours, or as directed by your doctor. Thank you.